One of the concerns you frequently hear about front runner racks is that you have to put such large holes in your roof. But you'll notice that these aluminum spacers give you quite a bit of wiggle room. So those of you that are very concerned about making sure your holes are lined up, obviously I recommend measuring multiple times and doing your best. But you can see you do have a bit of play for the bolt. So your holes don't have to be precise down to like a 1/4 inch. They do have some wiggle room so that as they're shifting and driving, as well as imperfect drilling, you should be okay.
Cause I don't wanna miss you, and I'm on a mission. You know what I gotta do. I'm going a million miles an hour for you. I'ma come and get you. I'm looking at your picture.